Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, Windows detected a hard disk problem fix in Windows 7. Type gpedit.msc in Windows search bar. Click gpedit. Click and expand administrative templates. Click and expand system. Click and expand troubleshooting and diagnostics. Click disk diagnostic. Open disk diagnostic, configure execution level. Check disabled. Click apply, OK. Close and exit group policy editor. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.